back, gang. Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas. Wow. Today I'm going to be doing a video on sampling a Christmas song, you know what I'm saying? Just getting Christmas spirit, you feel me? So I just found like a few Christmas songs. I think I found one by Whitney Houston that I think I'm going to use. So we're going to turn that into a trap song, of course, because you know, we got to do what we got to do. I'm going to add some little Christmas effects, make it sound really Christmassy, you know. But yeah, it should be very fun. As you can see, I got my lucky Santa hat on. As you can tell, this little... So yeah, we're gonna go on a computer and hopefully my headphones can fit on my head. It probably looks mad weird on camera. But yeah, we're gonna do that. So yeah, let's alright, so I got 2 samples. Hold on, let me refresh this real quick. Alright, so I got a sample here. I forgot which one I was gonna use. I was gonna use one of these. But yeah, let's is it this one? Alright, so I got the loop, and I added some hi-hats to it. I'm sorry, I went ahead a little bit. I added hi-hats to it, and we're starting something. I think we got something, guys. I think we got something. Okay, so here's what I got so far. I want to add Christmas bells, but I want to do it right, so I need to still work on that. I'm still working on that, but here's what I got so far. Yeah, that's what I got so far. It sounded pretty dope so far, but yeah, let's finish this thing up. Alright, y'all, we got the drums done, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the 808 pattern now. So sit tight and let's do this thing, okay? Let's get this 808. Alright, I know exactly what 808 I'm gonna use, so you already know. Alright, y'all, so this is crazy. You know, I want to add a flute again. I'm sorry, I want to add another flute because I don't know, flute just sounds, you know, Christmassy. That Christmas vibe, and I still need to add the bells, and I will add the bells because I need to make this time. Give it, you know, I need to have some Christmas effect. This can't be, I don't know why I just drank that. This can't be like a, you know, just a trap heavy beat. You gotta have some Christmas elements into it, hence the title. So that's what we're gonna do. Guys, the only thing missing is the kick. Man, oh my god, that hit me in the face. But you guys, look, like, this song's special. All right, okay. I'm gonna add the kicks. Let me chill out. I'm gonna add the kicks. Just wait.
Tomorrow.
All right, y'all. So it's done. Had a lot of fun making it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. Don't forget to also subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications while you're at it. Hope you guys have an amazing Christmas. So you got what you wanted. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. And enjoy the Christmas beat.
Unorthodox.
Ho, ho, ho.